This is the story of Gerald, the most amazing boy around.
When other kids spoke words,
he only made this sound.
Gerald McBoing-Boing. Gerald McBoing-Boing. He makes all kinds of sounds, whistles, honks, and chirps. His dog he never barks, but watch out when he burps. Gerald McBoing-Boing.
Guess the sound.
sound check! Thank you, and welcome to my amazing magic show. Watch me now as I pull a rabbit out of my magic hat.
Excuse me.
Okay, Gerald, pass me the rabbit.
Jacob, did your hat just awooga?
No, well, of course not. The rabbit, Gerald. Hand me the rabbit, quick. What? The rabbit got out? I mean, where's that old rabbit? Oh, wow! There's a lion in there. Ugh. Well, who needs a rabbit when there's a lion in my magic hat? And there's a big old elephant here, too, in my magic hat. And don't forget the chickens. Yes, folks, no rabbit yet, but plenty of exciting animals in my amazing magic hat. Right, Mrs. Chicken? By the way, have you seen my rabbit? Wow, that's one excited chicken. I better check on it. Here, chicken, chicken, chicken. Hey, that's no chicken. I mean, ta-da!
Yay! Great trick, Jacob.
Thanks.
And you too, Gerald. Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Gerald, have you cleaned your closet yet? Yes, that's right. We want your closet to be sparkling clean. Need some help there? Wow! Sounds like you really cleaned it. So, can I take a look? I think you still have some cleaning to do.
Here is a fantasy tale to enjoy, starring Jacob, Janine, and Gerald McCloy. They all play a part in this world of pretend, but the hero is always our sound-making friend. This is the story of Scritchy McBeard and what happened when that pirate just disappeared.
Where'd he go? I haven't seen him in, like, forever.
I don't know.
No.
Where was that pirate? Not too far away. He'd been diving for treasure for most of the day.
Everything I could steal, I've stolen on land. Maybe there's treasure down here in the sand. Hey, you're not treasure, you're a crab.
He searched the sands over. No treasure was found. Then Scritchy McBeard heard a beautiful sound. Inside a big clamshell, a mermaid was singing and making a necklace with pearls she was stringing.
Woohoo! Treasure!
Actually, my name's Janine, not Treasure. What's your name?
Give me that!
Pleased to meet you, give me that.
But Scritchy just laughed.
No, give me that!
He cried. Then he grabbed that nice necklace and locked her inside. So that pirate took off as a diver swam by.
Help! Get me out!
Hold on, I'll try.
He pulled on that clamshell with all of his might. But that shell didn't budge.
Wow, that shell is shut tight. We need someone to help us, but I don't know who.
Find Sailor McBoing-Boing. He'll know what to do.
A mermaid is trapped. I think she's in trouble.
So that kid sounded up a few friends on the double. The dolphins tried hitting the shell with their tails. But when that didn't work, Gerald sounded up whales.
Whoa! Thanks, guys. Thanks a lot.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, but that pirate stole my necklace. He's getting away.
Scritchy?
Hooray!
Hey, where have you been?
And that pirate did say.
Have found me some treasure! Now let's sail away!
Yay!
His ship is too far. We can't catch those bad guys.
Then that sound-making kid sounded up a surprise. Now our two dolphins and that great old whale had spinning propellers instead of a tail.
Huh? Who'd be putting motors on the fishies?
Those friends swam in circles around Scritchy's ship, and that beautiful necklace fell out of his grip. The necklace flew up in the air and came down, landing right on the mermaid's fair head, like a crown.
Hooray!
Hooray for the mermaid!
The pirates all cheered, while down deep in the ocean went Scritchy McBeard. And they say, to this day, he's still hoping to get his hands on some treasure, which he hasn't found yet.
No, not my beard! No, no!
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Gerald, how's that closet cleaning coming? Gerald, hello? Huh? Are you in the shower? That's odd. I don't remember there being a shower in Gerald's closet. Oh, well. Gerald, I'll come back later when you're done showering.
Hey, Gerald. How was your day?
So, did you do anything?
Well, did you see anyone or go anywhere?
Come on, Gerald. Something interesting must have happened. A few details, please. Oh, well, That sounds interesting. Doesn't it, honey?
It sure does. You saw a lion riding a bicycle as a rocket fell in a mud puddle, splashing a grumpy donkey on his birthday. Wow, that's quite a day.
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Thanks, Gerald. My lunchbox is brand new.
Pretty cool, huh? No way! Sounds like Gerald's got a soda fountain and popcorn popper in his lunchbox.
And a milkshake maker, too?
Hey, Gerald! I've got a great idea. Let's trade lunchboxes for the day. It'll be fun. Hey, where's the popcorn and milkshakes? The only thing here is this sandwich. Wait a minute. Is this what I think it is? My favorite sandwich! It's your dad's special peanut butter and parmesan and pumpernickel with pickles and paprika.
A PB and P and P and P and P sandwich. I love those.
Here, have a piece.
Thanks. Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Welcome to the fully automated Super Sudsy Snappy Car Wash. Just make your selection and we'll do the rest. Excellent choice. The Ultra Wash and Wax. Please leave car in neutral. Super Sudsy Snappy Car Wash does not take responsibility for scratches, dents, broken antennas, cracked windshields, or wet floors. Have a nice day.
I'd like to wash my car at your car wash, but is there any way you can keep it from shrinking in the wash like that one?
Here is a fantasy tale to enjoy, starring Jacob, Janine, and Gerald McBoing-Boing. They all play a part in this world of pretend. But the hero is always our sound-making friend. This is a story of Professor von Schlobatz, who spent every day making all kinds of robots.
There, a perfect cat robot. Ah!
One day he looked down at the floor and he found all kinds of trash that was lying around.
I will make a new robot, a shiny machine, that will take out the trash and keep everything clean. Must take out trash.
It took out the trash,
You're a genius.
but then that robot brought even more trash in again.
Uh-oh.
That robot was fast. Soon he started to run, bringing more and more trash in.
Oh, what have I done?
We need someone to help us, and I know just who. Professor McBoing-Boing. He'll know what to do. Boing, 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 boing.
So Professor McBoing-Boing appeared in a flash, just as the robot ran in with more trash.
Can you help us, Professor? I wanted things clean, but something's gone wrong with my trashy machine.
So they tried to clean up, but the robot ran faster.
Now this is a runaway robot disaster.
That robot grabbed everything all over town, even their neighbor.
Hey, you! Put me down!
He picked up a bike and a toaster made toast, a sink and a stove that was cooking a roast.
Hey, bring back my roast!
You've got to stop him, and stop him right now.
I would if I could, but I just don't know how. We have to do something. This trash is too deep.
Maybe there's some way to put him to sleep. Professor McBoing-Boing, you're really the best.
Maybe what my robot needed was rest.
That nap helped the robot slow down and relax. He still picks up trash and puts it in stacks. And if you go visit Professor von Schlobatz, you'll find he's decided to stop making robots. The last one he made is his favorite, they say. He takes out the trash, though it takes him all day.
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Excuse me.
Excuse me!
Okay, keep your eye on the ball, swing, and follow through. Got it?
Loud and clear.
Oh, boy.
Oops.
Oh, nice try, dear. I think you're almost getting the hang of it.
I thought I had...
Okay, honey, you can do it this time. Here goes.
Hey, did I do that?
Actually,
Come on, let's try that again. I'm ready. Come on, hit one over.
here goes.
Hey, I think I'm really getting the hang of this game. This time, let me hit a ball to you.
Are you sure you're ready for that, dear?
Why not? Watch me now. How's that for a shot?
Guess the sound.
Sound check! Boing, 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 boing.